The 2018-2022 Audi Q5 key fob uses a CR232 3 volts lithium coin battery. To begin, gather a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and your new CR2032 battery. Locate the small seam on the side of the key fob. Gently insert your tool into this seam and pry the two halves of the fob apart. It's designed with a simple snap fit, so you shouldn't need excessive force. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol, usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Now, simply snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the fob by attempting to lock or unlock your car remotely. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, as lithium batteries are hazardous if improperly discarded. Many recycling programs accept them.